Last year, nag-invest ako kay Maynilad and now, tumaas na yung kanyang value. So, what do you think? Should I sell it for profit na ba or continue to hold it? Yeah, ayusin ko muna yung seatbelt ko. I bought Maynilad because number one, growth niya. Mataas ang kanyang growth strategy. And number two is being a defensive stock. Kasi nga naman, syempre, sino man ba lang ayaw ng water, di ba? As a water concessionaire, basic needs natin ito. So back in November, I bought around 4,000 shares ng Maynilad. And nabili ko lang siya at around 15 pesos. Pero right now, it's already at around almost 18 pesos na siya ngayon. Now, pag sinabi nating paper gain, ibig sabihin parang naka-floating lang ito. And magiging totoong gain na ito if and when I sell my shares. Pwedeng all 4,000 of it or fraction. So, what do you think? Should I take profit na ba or i-hold ko lang muna siya and wait na hopefully ito tumaas pa ulit?